charge for better health, but not with capes. They lead with carrots, and whole food fats like avocados. And instead of masks, they lead with mangoes and berries. Fruits and vegetables are the disease-destroying arsenal of heroes. Are you a disease-destroyer superhero for your loved ones? Fruits and veggies fuel the mission of heroes like Veggie Vixen. Are you a Veggie Vixen for your loved ones? Dedicated to ensuring their loved ones thrive on a diet rich in faves, fruits and vegetables. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to guide your family to superhero status by reaching the highest levels of health and wellness daily. Become a Flare Power Titan, a Superfood Avenger, or even a Face Crusader by earning 5 points for every fruit or vegetable eaten. It's a fun-filled quest where nutrition meets excitement. All of the digital details are at superfoodparents.com for the full experience. Superfood Parents has also created workbooks, where you'll discover the tools you need for success. These workbooks give you the heroic strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true champion. And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the Superfood Parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of face and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
What else smoking in G Sharp? Sound like my little nigga done came down here. Oh, that's...
About 45 minutes. You're happy to see you.
I know my brother. That. Hey, shout out to the big homie DJ Is. I know go check him out. See, I know what I'm fucking up today. I ain't smoked no fucking roaches yet. I'm supposed to hit that like either wake and bake or something off the rip. Yeah, I'm off schedule today, so we're gonna have to get that in next. Not next, but next. That's what this beat's called too. Piano Nice. Shouts out to the big homie. It's his vertical version. Y'all know to go check it out on his channel. He definitely snapped on his little demo with that.
Give it gas when I'm dipping competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Laughs better getting back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack, whenever I witness cap. We ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax. Clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack, you a flash in the pan, while you relaxing, I can. But deep in the pack, this a damn, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft to the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my grade and premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time, my time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it